Hey everybody, Lorna here. So if you're on Facebook and you're a female, you have probably seen the ads for Overtone, the color conditioner, and that's supposed to help you maintain the color that you have in your hair. Specifically non-natural colors like blue and orange and magenta, etc. So, me, having been a former purple unicorn, I decided I would try Overtone. So here are some pictures of what my hair looked like before I used Overtone. And I used it last night. So this was my hair. And as you can see, I'm sort of growing out this blonde hair. And this blonde hair is a result of because I had purple hair before. And here are some pictures of me with purple hair. I've had purple and magenta and kind of a fuchsia color, and I've always really enjoyed it. What I did was I got online to Overtone, and Overtone has sample bottles. You can buy little sample bottles. So I got my two sample bottles. I got extreme pink and extreme purple. And these sample bottles are 2 ounces, and they say that the sample bottles are not enough to color your whole head. They came with this nice how to use Overtone guide, and down here where we have strand test, it says our sample sizes have just enough to give you a sneak peek of color with a strand test. Unless you're rocking a pixie cut, samples won't have nearly enough conditioner for your whole head. Begin with clean, dry hair and section out a small strand, clipping the rest of it out of the way. Starting at the root of your hair, apply the conditioner and pull it through the rest of the strand, making sure it's completely saturated. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse. Check the color once it's dry. Love it? Then you're ready for the next step, total boldness by applying all over. So first, the only directions that I followed was where it said to wear gloves at one point. In here somewhere it says that you should wear gloves when applying it. So I washed my hair. I waited for it to dry a little bit, not much, like just so it wasn't dripping. And I proceeded to mix extreme purple and extreme pink in my gloved hands, and I just pulled it through. I just pulled it through the blonde ends of my hair. I just did what was blonde, what I knew would hold color. And I wrapped it up in a towel on the top of my head, and I let it sit for about an hour and a half. I did not do 5 to 10 minutes. I did an hour and a half, and then I rinsed it all out. And mind you, I still have half of each of these bottles left. There's still, I could get 2 more conditions from these 2 sample bottles. And sample bottles are only $7, so I mean, it's worth it to try it, right? Of course it is. So, without further ado, look at this. Look at this. From samples. Lots of tone, lots of color. Don't let them tell you those sample bottles aren't enough. They said this bottle was enough for a strand test. Well, half of this bottle and half of this bottle, so a full bottle, yeah, okay, fine, was enough to do all of my blonde roots, or sorry, all of my blonde ends. So, and it looks great. Looks awesome. I don't anticipate it lasting a really long time. I mean, sure, if I keep getting the conditioner and I keep using it, it will last as long as I want. But I have a feeling that, you know, a couple washes and this will probably come out. But I did this just last night and it looks amazing. Looks awesome. So, if you haven't tried Overtone and you're feeling adventurous, experimental, whatever, go get you a sample bottle. It's $7 and just try it out. I mean, I'm feeling purple and fabulous. So, I highly recommend. Lots of fun and really easy to apply. Again, I didn't really follow any of the directions that they had, except to wear gloves. So, enjoy your life out there try some Overtone and be brave and bold and beautiful. See you next time.